Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, you are so welcome. I make simple helpful crypto videos just like this one, so if you find this useful, please consider subscribing. It really encourages me to keep dropping more helpful content for you. And for my returning subscribers wey still never subscribe, why now? Please hit that subscribe button too, abeg, no dulling. Alright, let's jump into how to download the MetaMask extension using the Mrs. browser on your mobile phone. Step by step, no jargon. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to open your Mrs. browser. This is my Mrs. browser here. Once it opens, in the search bar, type in chrome.google.com, then slash Webstore. Chrome.google.com/Webstore. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store where the MetaMask extension is available. So once you are inside the Web Store, once you are inside the Chrome Web Store, tap on the search icon. This is it. Then and type MetaMask. MetaMask. Just like this. And you search. And you should see the MetaMask extension with the orange fox logo, which is the first one here. Once it opens, the third step is to tap on the add to Chrome. You can see add to Chrome. You can see add to Chrome or you see add to browser, depending on what pops out for you, depending on what appears for you. So we are seeing add to Chrome. Then we tap on add to Chrome. Then confirm by tapping OK, add to Chrome. This may take a few seconds to install. So it's done installing. So once the installation is over, after installation, you should see the MetaMask icon at the top or under the extension. Let's proceed to create an account with our MetaMask wallet. Then agree to MetaMask terms of use. Click. So now you should proceed to either create a new account or import an existing wallet using your seed phrase. So now we'll proceed to create a new account. Approve to the terms, then agree. Then the next thing we need to do is to create a password. This password will unlock your MetaMask wallet only on this device. MetaMask cannot recover this password. So please use a strong password. So I'm done. I'm showing this wallet because it's a demo account. This is not my password, and I'm not going to be using this wallet for anything. I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. So now create a new account. Now the next thing you need to do is to confirm secret recovery phrase. Remind me later. No, I don't recommend reminding later because anything can happen. I recommend you write down your seed phrase immediately and save it in a very secure place. Don't save it, don't screenshot your seed phrase. Now let's proceed to secure my wallet. Now we'll click on secure my wallet. Please never you show your seed phrase to anyone. I'm actually going to show this one because of the purpose of this video. This is actually a demo account. Please don't send any funds to this account and don't even import this seed phrase into your phone. Now, review secret recovery phrase. Once I review, you are to write it accordingly from 1 to 12. Save it in a very secure place. I recommend writing it down inside a paper, an exercise book. Never you screenshot your seed phrase. Never you write it down in your phone. Never you save it into your email. All are very risky. Please your passphrase should stay offline. So after writing this down and storing in a safe place, the next thing you need to do, you can see the tips. Write down and store in multiple secret places. Store in a safe deposit box. Never you share it with anyone. Never you store it online. So the next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then they will ask us to number 3. The third one is, when we come here, anchor is our third seed phrase. So we'll put anchor. Just as it was written, anchor. Then the fourth one is insane. The fourth one, insane. Then the eighth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The eighth is decorate. So decorate. So once we are done importing our account, the next thing we need to do is to click on confirm. Congratulations, your wallet is protected and ready to use. You can find your secret recovery phrase in settings, security and privacy. So you click on done, then next, then done. You can choose to confirm or not now. So now our wallet is ready to use. Anytime you want to use the MetaMask extension, once you open your Mrs. browser, you head over to this icon over here. When you touch it, it will bring out other extensions. Then you will see your MetaMask here. Once you touch it, it will open. Once it opens, then proceed to type in your password. Now, remember our password was demo wallet @. Please never you use this password. I will just using it for the purpose of this video. Then click on unlock. Then our wallet is opened. Then you can proceed to receive and send wallet with this account. And that is it, guys. You have successfully added MetaMask to your Mrs. browser on mobile. Make sure to keep your recovery phrase safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.